In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to construct a cumulative frequency table in this case, for small discrete data, but it works the same way for all kinds of data. And we're going to learn how to do that by doing this practice problem, in which Meredith has surveyed their 30 classmates about the number of cars in their household and received the following data. The frequency table is given here, so we're going to make that our starting point. And I'm going to show you how to turn frequency table into cumulative frequency table. So right now we have a column frequency, and I'm going to turn it into cumulative frequency. And here's how it goes. The cumulative frequency for 0, it's the number, or rather, it's the sum of all frequencies, or rather, it's the sum of frequencies for all observations that are less than or equal to 0. Since 0 is the first observation, 5 is the cumulative frequency. For 1, the cumulative frequency will be the sum of frequencies for all observations up to 1. That means the cumulative frequency will be equal to 5 plus 6. So let's do it this way. The cumulative frequency of 2 will be the sum of frequencies of all observations of up to 2. So it's going to be the sum of frequencies for 0, 1, and 2. So it's going to be 5 plus 6 plus 2. This one will be 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6. This will be 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3. This will be 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3. And finally, 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4. So these are what cumulative frequencies are. And what we usually do, now that you just add all these numbers, and I'm going to show you maybe a slightly easier way. But first, or at this point it's not first anymore, but let's also observe that the last cumulative frequency must be equal to the total number of observations. So if you're adding all of these numbers and you're not getting 30, then you're getting something wrong. Now let's go back and let me show you. It's not an easier, but more straightforward way for computing cumulative frequencies. So your first cumulative frequency is 5, and the second cumulative frequency can be obtained by adding this number and this number, so it's 11. The next cumulative frequency can be obtained by adding this number and this number, which is 13. Then we add this number and this number, it's 19. Then we add this number and this number, it's 22. 22 plus 4 is 26, and finally 26 plus 4 is 30. So this is what cumulative frequency table should look like. So let's go ahead and enter the answer so we can get the credit. And submit. And if you have any questions, let me know. And if you want to practice another problem just like this one, look for the link in the description of the video.